What's up everyone? My name is Tyanna for those of you who don't know me, and welcome to my channel. Today you will be learning how to play Legend of Korra's ending theme, and thank you to the subscribers and commenters who have requested this tutorial. Okay, so for this song we're pretty much gonna be plucking because the main melody is just really one note. And again, this is looped over and over again. So this is how it goes. Okay, yeah, very short tutorial, but hope you're able to learn it. Just loop it over and over again, and yeah, see you in the next one, guys. See ya!